Hey Chompers, and welcome back to another video. So today I am back with another seafood boil, and I was gonna hold off, but I'm in North Carolina and the storm is raging, and before the power goes out and totally like destroys my crab legs that were in the freezer, I'm just gonna eat them because I'd rather eat them than have the storm eat them. So today I'm having two huge king crab legs, two corn, potatoes, and shrimp again. And this time I'm trying a new sauce. This is something I came up with. Is butter, garlic, crab seasoning. Then I have some Old Bay, some parsley, and some lemon juice in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna dig in because I'm in the garage. The kids are home from school, so everybody's all over the place. I needed a quiet place to devour my food, and yeah, with no interruptions. But being in the garage is making me really, really hot. So I'm gonna eat, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Let me say my grace first so that I can bless this food. All right, Lord, I thank you for this food that you set before me. I ask that you bless it, let it be a blessing to my body. In your precious name I pray. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, Lord. Let's just get right into this. It's hot, it's hot. Ooh. Oh yeah, yes. Oh, no. There. Oh man, it broke off, but ooh, that looks good. I don't know if y'all can see this sauce. Something about a butter and garlic sauce that just takes me there. Give me that. Yes, this is working today. Good grief. It never happens. Oh man, I forgot trash. Also, with me being in the garage, sometimes there's spiders out here, so if you see a spider, let me know, because I do not keep up with spiders. And that's a joke, guys. Like, I know you can't let me know at the time of, like, some people take things so literal sometimes. But I also wanted to send a huge thank you to Prissy P for sending so many people my way. I was trying to figure out why everybody was saying, well, not everybody, because I do have a few, I have a lot of loyal subscribers already, but some people came over saying that they were from Prissy P's channel. She sent them, so just wanted to send a big thank you to the gang for, you know, stopping by and showing me some support. I really do appreciate it. I should have got my scissors. So good. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my scissors. I'll be right back. I'm back. All right, let's see. Oh, it's hot. See if we can get this out of here. Yeah. No, not today. All right, here we go. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I hope that if you are in the track of the storm, geez, I got in my eye. I hope that you are in the track of the storm, that you are safe and sound and out of harm's way. I hope that your family is safe as well. And even your pets, because sometimes people forget about their pets or can't bring them along. So I hope that everyone is doing well and staying safe. So far we're doing pretty good. It's just a lot of rain, and they anticipate a lot of flooding. We haven't had the power outage yet, obviously, but we think it's coming. The storm is supposed to go around us, so just hope and pray that it does. It's good. these bracelets off. Mm. Dang, it's good. Mm. 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 It's good. Okay. Oh, today I'm drinking on my favorite, my white cran strawberry juice. It's really good. So good. All right, let's see. Mm. Ooh, can y'all hear that? I need to hurry up so that this power stays on. Mm. 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 It's nothing like this crab meat. Mm. Here we go. Mm. 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 This sauce is good. Mmm. Mmm. That's perfect. Mmm. 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 Ooh, storm is raging. Mmm. 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 That's a good combo. Try the corn. Mmm. I already know it's gonna be good. My mouth is watering. Mmm. Mmm. I wish y'all could be here. So good. Mmm. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm coming to y'all plain Jane today. I got my Weekend So Hard shirt I picked up from Target. Cause I know I wasn't going nowhere. No need getting all dressed up. Cause it's a real chill day. Everybody's just chilling. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh. Mmm. Is a spider on me? Mm. Mm. So good. Mm. 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 Oh, I forgot my lemon juice. There's lemon juice in the sauce. Mm. So I was reading a lot of y'all comments. Y'all are so funny. But more importantly, you guys are so encouraging. Like the amount of support that just came rolling in, like on all my videos really. But that last video, that D-Shell video, oh my gosh. Mm. And the amount of support was incredible, to say the least. Mm. Mm. So good. This is a beautiful, this is a beautiful dish. Mm. Mm. It's amazing. Mm. Mm. Ooh. I really wish. Uh-oh, lights flickering. I really wish y'all could be here though. Not in the storm, but eating this food. I know I get a lot of comments saying that they don't have king crab where they are, just crabs in general. Man, please live through me. Like, I'm trying to tell you, it's so good. Mm. 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 All right. Here it comes. This is hunk of meat. Ah. Yes. Mm. Mm. So good. Yes. About about the size of my eye. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Jeez. All right. Trying to get the meat out. That shit ain't cooperate at all. Mm. So good. So good. So, let me know down in the comments if you want to see a blue crab mukbang, because a lot of people were saying that just be yourself, be original, stay true to who you are. And like, I grew up in Baltimore and all we ate were blue crabs. So I know that, like, I know how to eat some blue crab, and I want to do a mukbang on it so y'all can see how I do it, and just, you know, bring home to y'all. The seafood market that I go to get my king crab, they always have live blue crab in there. They aren't very big, that's why I hardly ever get them. But there's another place that I just found that they have blue crab, and I want to try them out. So let me know down below if you want to see. If you want to see a blue crab mukbang, because I can definitely get that up to you. That'd be a fun one, I think. Oh no, it's coming to an end. The sauce though. Good grief. So good. That's so good. So, one of my friends from high school, she said she was scrolling through Instagram, and she found my Instagram page for my mukbang videos, and I was like, dang. Because you know how sometimes when you're just starting out and you don't really want people to know, well, not family, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Like, you want people that you don't know to support you before people that you do know, because sometimes your friends can be, or even your family can be like so discouraging sometimes. But she said that she came across my page, and that, you know, she was already watching somebody who was a mukbanger, and she was like, she couldn't believe that I was doing it. So if you're watching, hey Rakia. But yeah, it's just so crazy how even when you try, like, you say you want your channel to grow, but you don't extend the invitation to people that you know, and then they find it anyway. It's just like, I don't know, it's like doors are just, you know, opening up, and it's just crazy how it all works. So I'm looking forward to a lot. I have big goals. I'm trying to pay off these student loans. So when you put in the work, just like y'all said, when you put in the work, time and effort, it comes eventually. Give a little time. So good. It is meat though. I always want to give y'all a close up, but this is so good. It's so good. Look at all that meat. There you go. There's the focus. Yes. This is, yeah. Take a bite. It's so good. Oh, I was about to say, I wish I had some more corn. It's so good. I can feel this stuff running down my chin. So good. I might have to do 3 pieces of corn next time. It's just 2 ain't cutting it. My son asked me to save him some fried meat, so I think I'm gonna save this part for him. I'm gonna save that part for him. Oh, 1 more shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna save that. So, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope wherever you are during this storm, you are safe. If you're not, being affected by the storm, then I hope that you are somewhere relaxing, maybe on a beach somewhere, and having a wonderful day. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below so I know that you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Sauce is everything. All right, for real time. Bye.